Listen, I have a question for you. Have you achieved success and maybe even have what many think is having it all, yet you know in your heart you were meant for so much more? Through my achievements, I kept expecting that one day I would feel like I arrived. Like one day I would get to be finally me. But that feeling never came. How does this happen? When I was young, my family and I got the rug pulled out from under us. Because of this experience, I always believed that it was our lack of money that had always been our biggest problem. And when things got really, really bad, I simply made a decision that I would never again be financially poor. And I remember making a promise that when I get through this, I was going to help all others so that no one would ever have to experience this feeling of helplessness again. I then went on to work my way up from nothing, and I co-owned and operated a multi-million-dollar company. I accomplished many goals, and I've raised incredible kids. I've run all the major marathons in the world, yet with all my successes, I still didn't feel free. I didn't feel fully me. And I knew I was meant for more. And I began to notice that those I admired deeply somehow were working way less, making so much more money with more ease. So I sought out the best coaches, the best therapists, and other experts, and I absorbed every possible book I could get my hands on. And I did the deep work. My awakening finally came. This epiphany, this massive clarity where I saw in one split second where all the puzzle pieces of my life fit together, stretching all the way back right up to the original inception. And I felt this huge relief and a certainty like never before. I cracked the code to how to have achievement and fulfillment. The code to what authentic, holistic success really is. It took me a lifetime, but now I can help anyone get there fast using a technology I created just for you, my friend. I call it aligned intelligence. So you can discover the secret to being fully you. I'm here to support you, the real you, mentally, emotionally, and physically. I'm Mia Hewitt, and I'm dedicated to helping you set yourself free.